Hey guys, welcome to Smith Auctions. Today we have lot 46 SL, a John Deere X350 lawnmower with a 44-inch snowblower and a 42-inch mowing deck. This thing is in absolutely great condition and just short of brand new. It only has 11.1 hours on it. And this thing runs like it's brand new, except for it's a little harder to tell due to the wind on this video. Some things to note about this John Deere X350. It has a 21.5 horsepower engine with 44.3 cubic inches of displacement. It has a K46 hydrostatic integrated transaxle. Rear tires are 20 by 10 by 8s. It comes equipped with a 44-inch snowblower and a 42-inch mower deck. It also has rear tire chains and rear weights. Remember, this is lot 46 SL on November 6th, industrial, commercial, and tool auction. If you want a good deal on a just short of brand new lawnmower, this is the one for you. Don't miss out. Get online and bid now. Don't miss out on this just short of brand new John Deere X350. Listed online now at smithauctions.com. Until next time, happy bidding.